grill is complete. Oh my god, I'm in love already. Let me give you a little tour of this grill. Take a look of this package. Take a look how they set up everything nicely. Outstanding. I can already tell you. Also, I can cook some ingredients for my pizza in this. So that's the reason why I got it. So that one is the wood goes inside there. Boom, the flame goes out. I love it. I love it. And then, I mean, you put the wood. Hello guys, from Maestro Iacopelli, and welcome back to my channel. Today, like you can see, is going to be real different. Yes, because I'm going to do an unboxing and review about, actually today is only unboxing because it's gonna be a little bit too long. Here you go, I present you the best, I'm telling you, the best smoker and barbecue in the world. I'm going to do an unboxing today about Z Grill 1000. So make sure, if you're interested to buy a smoker, I personally asked the company to send me one because I fell in love. I said, please send it to me because I want to get in a level up. So with this Z Grill smoker, I'm going to show you something a little bit different in my channel. So I'm going to introduce some smoker ribs, some meat, maybe some pizza inside the smoker. Well, I don't know. Let's see how. Maybe we have to see that later how it will come out inside this bomb here. So basically we are going to basically today I'm going to open up this box and see what's inside. Of course, I'm gonna link it below. Guys, like I say in my other videos, this channel is not this is not commercial. It's not something commercial. This is basically I'm doing an unboxing and review just to show you what's inside the box. If you're interested to buy a smoker, maybe you get an idea from my videos. That's all. So hope you like this video, enjoy, and let's open up the box and see what's inside. Are you ready? Yes? Smash that thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up. Let's open up. Let's see what's inside. Let's go. So right away, let's get into this video. Let's get the first box and see, because it comes with two boxes. So let's go ahead, let's open up with a knife. I really love this company. When I saw some pictures online, I said, I wanted to get the smoker so bad because I would love to see how, I want to get into some recipe that you guys gonna love it. Also, I can cook some ingredients for my pizza in this. So that's the reason why I got it. And here you go. And this is gonna be the first video of this new thing. Actually, I'm gonna save this way I can put everything inside. So many little package, guys. Probably this is gonna take me a little longer than I expected to build it. Wow, the material is good. So probably this is the frame. Let's go ahead, let's get the big box. Let's unload this on the floor. Little by little, we get there. Little by little, we get there. Guys, I'm excited like a little kid. Trust me, I love these things. Probably I love two things: ovens and also barbecue and smoker. And guys, trust me, probably I love more the smokers and barbecue because I'm able to cook some amazing ingredients inside. Ingredients for my pizzas and meat and salmon. So let's go ahead and show you what's inside this box. It's well made. It's well made. Gloves. I should have put the gloves before building this because I'm scraping all my hands. And then I really love building things. Tell me guys, I should open a channel or when I build build things or not? Tell me here in the comments. Tell me what you think. Oh. So many boxes, but trust me, I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna get into this building. This video should be called how to build a Z Grill 1000. But this is what's inside the box. Get everything. Actually, what's inside the box? What's inside the barbecue? Actually, the smoker. Wow, I have to say, man, take a look. Take a look of this package. Take a look how they set up everything nicely. Outstanding. I can already tell you that this grill is well made. Guys, let me open everything and then I'm gonna put everything down there just to show you. Because like this is a little bit messy. Give me 1 second. Whew. Okay guys, let me show you what comes inside the box. And now the good thing is gonna come out now because I'm gonna build it. So let me show you really quick. Whew. So here we go. We got just the main thing, empty. Z Grill. I have to say that is a good quality product because it's not regular steel or whatever. So you got everything. You got with this little screw here, we are going to build it. Couple of screws, not that much. I love to build things. This is the Z Grill 1000, like you can see, and nothing. We have everything. So let's go ahead and let's build it. I'm gonna speed up this one a little bit. Guys, it's really important how you go ahead and do the things step by step. So like you can see, it's a lot of pieces. I never saw all these boxes in my life, but they put it in the box this way you can keep it safe. Guys, I just realized that it's getting really dark, so I'm gonna go sleep. I didn't have some light, I didn't came prepared, so I'll see you in the morning. This way we are fresh, we can make something really, I can show you a little bit better. In the meantime, smash that like, subscribe, I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna go sleep. Good morning guys, I just wake up. It's morning, like you can see, beautiful weather still. That's the reason a little bit why I'm in Los Angeles, because the weather. So like you can see last night, let me turn on this camera. So like you can see, last night it got a little bit dark and it was a little bit hard for me to shoot a properly video because I didn't have any lights. And also at night I couldn't see better. So let me show you a little bit the quality of this amazing barbecue, basically smoker. This Z Grill, outstanding. So let me show you the details what I did yesterday. Let me get this camera 1 second. Boom, boom, boom. See. Let me show you all the little details. So, like you can see, he's made with high quality product. So this is basically where the wood is going to be flaming. So basically you put the wood inside here. Did you see this little thing right there? So that one is the wood goes inside there, boom, the flame goes out. But this is high quality, guys. It's really high quality. Can't wait to finish and build it. So let's get back. Okay, so put you back there. Okay, so now we are ready to finish and build this amazing Z Grill. Okay guys, I was trying to put this one, but I figured out, following the instruction, I figured out, and this is amazing because all the fat, you see there is a little bit like this, and all the fat goes down in this little hole, and they also give me the bucket, which, hold on, which goes right here. Take a look. So this is basically the bucket to put the grease that goes under there. It's outstanding. I'm gonna show you this a little bit. So the fat goes here, boom, and goes down. All the oil, the grease, and whatever you put in your cooking. So basically this one goes down, boom, 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 voila. Oh my God, can't wait to cook some pizzas inside here. Can't wait to cook some pizzas inside here. So let me check. And voila, guys, the grill is boom, boom, boom. Let me check. Voila, let me take everything out. The grill is complete. Oh my God, I'm in love already. Let me give you a little tour of this grill. Wow guys, hope you enjoy this. Hope you enjoy this tour, this grill, this amazing unboxing. Well, more than unboxing, it was a build out. So I have to say, this is the top level. I'm happy like a little kid in the Disneyland, and I have to say it's very, very well made, well product. You know, this is you can tell when something is good from the feeling. So the only bad thing, the only negative thing that probably they did it for secure is all the mess, the boxes. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna bring you with me. Take a look. All this. Take a look, all the mess. Let me show you. Woo. Take a look. All the box. This was everything. All these, they were inside this little thing. I mean, take a look. How beautiful is it? Take a look. I have to say, I love it. I love it. And then, I mean, you put the wood. You put the wood inside here. Electronically, you set up the temperature. You set up the temperature right here, and everything does by himself. Out of this world. I can't wait to put my pizza inside there, inside this. I can't wait maybe to put some ingredients to cook some amazing meat, because I love two things, meat and salmon. So guys, hope you like this video of unboxing. Please, let's get to 10,000 likes on this video, and comment below, and then I will show you the review of this. Well, okay, I will show you anyway. The review. So guys, hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and thank you so much. Keep supporting by sharing all my videos. I'll see you at the next one. It's going to be interesting. Wednesday and Saturday videos all the time. Enjoy. Pow. I'm gonna take everything out, but I almost forgot. For the bad weather, they also thought about making the. I love these things because you can close it and be sure that is your grill is gonna stay new forever. Voila, now it's complete. We can bring it everywhere. Let me put it on the side, and now let's clean up this mess. Zoya, papi, can you help me? Let's go. Vieni, papà. Aiutami. We're gonna get all these boxes and we're gonna throw it away. Guys, make sure check out her channel, my baby. I mean, Zoe Kids Toys. Check it out, subscribe, and support also her channel. She's a very hard work. Let's go, papi. Get 1, 2, and put it right here. Buttalo qua sopra. Qua sopra. Good job.